This is all of the stuff that I have open right now.
Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. Ladies and gentlemen, hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to today's video where we are going to do something a bit different. So I know it is the norm to do product empties videos, but since it takes me forever to use products, I'm going to do a product opens video. I did this a long time ago, like when I kind of first started my channel. And this bag right here is why I do opens videos instead of empties. I already dropped something. Oh my God. Oh. I definitely need the jury's help. I see how like using a bunch of products and trying things out and doing, wash day videos and twist outs and braid outs and tweed outs and wash and goes and stuff. And you're trying all of these products, you end up having a lot of stuff that's open. I don't want stuff to go rancid or spoil or go bad because I don't want to throw anything away. And due to the current situation, it's not like I can really give them away because I've already opened them. Except to, family members and friends or whatever. But I'm trying to use the products, myself for me. What I'm going to be looking from the jury is to tell me, okay, what can I mix and match, or should I just leave everything together and use it by line, which is what I normally do. When I first use a product brand and line, I prefer to use everything same brand, same line. Now, once it's open and I use it like a couple times, then I don't mind mixing and matching with something else that's already open. I'm gonna show you everything that I have, and then you give me ideas and recommendations on how I can mix and match products and use them, or if I should just, keep it like it is. To prevent bag lady plastic bag rummaging, I went ahead and I took everything out of that bag that I showed you. I have it all laid out in front of me. I'm not going to go in any like particular order that I use the products, but I do have them like grouped together by brand and line. I am going to try to get through this video quickly. This is not a review or anything like that, although I probably will make some comments on some of these products, but this is what I have open, and I really would like to use some of this stuff up before I start opening even more products. You've seen all the products that I have. If you have not, go ahead and check out my recent collection video where I showed you everything that I have on the 4 bookshelves that I have most of my products stored. Before I open any of those products, I need to go ahead and use up some of these. The first group of products that I have is from Mo Knows Hair. I have all 8 of them right here. So the Scalp and Curl Clarifier, I have probably about half of this left, and this is 4 ounces. I have a lot of the shampoo, the Curl Hydrator shampoo. I have about 3/4 of the Curl Co-Wash Plus conditioner. I have just probably like 1 use left of the Curl Restoring Treatment. I can make that be 1 use. And then I also have about, this is a 6.76 fluid ounce of the Curl Primer. Probably have like half of that left. This Curl Setting Gel, this is a 6.76 fluid ounce, and I have like almost all of this. I think I used this 1 time, maybe twice. I have the Curl Styling Potion. This is a 2-in-1 leave-in plus styler with soft hold, 6.76 fluid ounces. I think I used this 1 time, maybe. Then I have the Curl Smoothing Pudding. This is 6 ounces, and I think I used this like 1 time. All right, the next set of products that I have is from Camille Rose Naturals, and I have the Sweet Ginger shampoo, about a little bit more than half of that left. I have the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard, and this I have probably about a third of the bottle left. Then I have the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner, and I would say I probably have about half of this jar left. Then I have the Curl Love Moisture Milk. This stuff is really good. This whole line is like very moisturizing. And I have, let's call it about a fourth. Yeah, about a fourth of the bottle left. And the last thing I have is the Curl Maker, and let's call it about half a bottle. Next, I have products from Product Junkie Naturals. First, I have the Curl Clarity Shampoo. I really like this shampoo, and I have probably like 3/4 of the bottle left. This is labeled Rosemary Deep Conditioner, but we know that this is a leave-in. Check out the video if you want details on that. I would say I have at least half of this left. I did use it like a few times after that video. Because of that kind of mix-up, I use the Curls, Kinks, and Coils Deep Conditioner. And I only use this like the one time. I have at least 3/4 of this left. It wasn't very moisturizing for me, so next time I use this, I'm gonna have to add oils to it. I have the Max Hydration Leave-In Conditioner, and you see I have a lot of this left. We'll call it 3/4 of the bottle left. And then for the styler, I have Manuka Honey Flaxseed Gel, and I have we'll call it half a bottle left of this. The next group of products that I have open are from Apogee. Now Apogee, I really don't like count this necessarily in, you know, products that I have to use all the way up before I use something else, just because I use this line so infrequently. I only use it when I do the two-step protein treatment, so it's not like I use even like the shampoo or the conditioner like on a regular basis. I don't. The only time I pull this out is when I'm doing a two-step protein treatment. So what I have open is the Keratin and Green Tea Shampoo. This is a 12-ounce bottle, and I probably have like 10 ounces left. I also have the, I think it's like shampoo for damaged hair. I forgot to bring that down, but I have that open too. I have the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. This is a 16-ounce bottle. I'm gonna say I have at least like 12 ounces left. I do have the Apogee 2-step protein treatment, but I put them in these spray bottles. It's much easier to apply from these spray bottles than it is in the bottle like this with the pop top, because it's so liquidy. One of these is just a straight Apogee protein treatment, and then this other one, and it might be one or the other, but one of them I actually combined with TCB Naturals conditioner. I think it was like the argan oil conditioner. It still ended up being, you know, kind of liquidy, but it was just a little bit thicker than the original like formula, and it smelled a lot better. And then my hair wasn't as hard. You still got like that the crisp crunch from using the two-step treatment, but it wasn't so hard to where if you breathe on your hair, you feel like it's just gonna shatter like glass. Also have the Balancing Moisturizer. This is an 8-ounce bottle. I do not like this stuff at all. The only reason I use it is because it says on the directions for the two-step protein treatment and for this to use this directly after, but then I always follow it up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. And the last thing I have open from Apogee is the Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer, and this is a 8-ounce bottle. Now after I do a protein treatment and I use this, I'll use this maybe for a few days or up to a week after, but then like I'm not using it again. It's going back with all of the other products. The next group of products that I have open are from Nature's Little Secret. I really love that, the way my hair came out. Check out that video if you want more details. But from that, I have the Rose Hydrating Shampoo, and I mean, I pretty much have like the whole bottle left. I understand that this was replaced by the cucumber shampoo. This is very like stripping, cleansing. It will clean the DNA from your strands. So if you have like heavy product buildup and stuff, and you still happen to have this shampoo, this is very good at deep cleansing, but you must follow up with like a moisturizing deep conditioner. Speaking of which, I have the Rose Hydrating Conditioner. This is 8 ounces. This is not a deep conditioner, but you can like leave it on extra for like deep conditioning properties. And I have like probably 3/4 of the jar left. So at least 4 uses left, 3 at the least. Then I have the Banana Leave-In Conditioner. This is 8 ounces. I'm trying to see also. I'm all the way right here. So yeah, I have a lot of this left. This was very moisturizing. I like this. And then for the styler, I have the Flaxseed Curly Custard. This is 12 ounces, and I am at about the top of the label. So I know my hair starting to fall down. But these are the 4 products that I have for Nature's Little Secret. The last wash day group of products that I have is from TGIN. Check out that video if you haven't seen that. I have the Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. I only used it one time. It's pretty much at the top of the bottle. Then I have the Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. I only used this one time. And if you know what I had to go through just to get this conditioner out of the bottle, you'll understand why I only used it one time. But I really liked it. This shampoo and conditioner, yes, 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 yes. Then I have the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. I only used this one time, so it's almost, you know, still at the top. And somebody asked me why this was pink. Because I think normally it comes with a black label. I think this is the label that was used in October for like breast cancer month or something. So I think that's why it's pink. I believe it's still the same formula. And then for the styler, I have the Twist and Define Cream. I only used it once, and I have like almost the whole jar left. Something happened between the leave-in and this Twist and Define Cream, and I ended up with snow in my hair. So I either need to use more leave-in, less Twist and Define Cream, no leave-in, just the Twist and Define Cream, or the leave-in. And then I saw a video recently where somebody used the gel in this line. I don't have the gel, but maybe this and a gel. And then the last kind of like loose odds and ends products that I have open, I have the She Scented Papaya line Super Hydrate Hair Mask. I only used this one time, I believe. So I mean, it's almost to the top. This line really did not agree with my hair. I actually gave away the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in, but I have like a curling custard or something, another product that I didn't even open. I didn't even open that one yet. And then I also have the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Oil. This is another product that I'm not worrying about using all the way, you know, before I open something else. I actually mixed this with my Ayurvedic oil to help with the scent and just to dilute it because I made it so very potent. And I have about half of it left. But this oil has been open for a long time. I also have the Talia Wajid Shea Coco Manoi Natural Serum. This is open, and I could see it. It's like way up here. I used this just like a couple times, but because it's so thick, it is so thick. I can only use a little bit, or I have to dilute it with something else. And speaking of dilute, this is my Ayurvedic oil mixed with the garlic infused, what was it? I think garlic infused coconut oil. So I'm about maybe 2/3 done with this. And actually, that's what's in my hair right now, along with the aloe and lemon prepoo. See, I told y'all I keep using that. It's on my face too. So if my face look a little shiny, that's why. It's because I have the aloe and lemon mask on my face, and that's what's in my hair for a prepoo. All right, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, these are all of the products that I have. I have products from Mono's Hair, Camille Rose Naturals, Product Junkie Naturals, Apogee, Nature's Little Secret, and TGIN. And then plus the deep conditioner from She Scented, and then a couple of oils. You saw the products that I have. Should I use them just straight in the line like I have been, or can I mix and match brands and use a shampoo from one brand, a deep conditioner from another, a leave-in from another, and then a styler from another? You let me know. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.